More and more people are paying for brighter, whiter teeth. But does teeth whitening work and is it safe? Here are the most trusted products list for best whitening teeth. But before that, please support us by subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. And also don't forget to check my #1 recommendation for faster weight loss by clicking the first link in the description. Teeth whitening kit includes accelerator light that speeds up the whitening process. LED light contains 5 bulbs for more power and has a built-in timer with beeper so you can easily keep track of your whitening session time. Kit includes 2 5 ml teeth whitening gel syringes, containing 35% carbamide peroxide and a total of 20+ whitening treatments. Gel is made in USA, gluten-free, kosher, safe for enamel and produces no tooth sensitivity. Mouth tray requires no molding or boiling, which means tray fits any mouth and allows you to whiten the top and bottom teeth at the same time comfortably. Use once a day for 30 minutes and remove stains from coffee, wine, soda, tea, smoking and more. See visible results and whiter teeth after just 1 teeth whitening treatment with this kit. Kit includes a tray case for storing the mouth tray and detailed instructions for proper use. Nature's answer to teeth whitening. We teamed up with Mother Nature to deliver a toothpaste with the most effective whitening and detoxifying ingredients on Earth. Food-grade activated charcoal, active carbon, certified organic coconut oil, and baking soda create a powerful teeth whitening blanqueador de dientes effect with zero tooth sensitivity. Made in USA, vegan, fluoride-free, SLS-free, gluten-free, peroxide-free, no T-triclosan, no parabens, safe for kids. Oral detox for a happier, healthier mouth. Bad breath treatment, infused with the antiseptic and remineralizing properties of diatomaceous earth, tea tree oil, coconut oil, xylitol and peppermint oil. Includes all the ingredients needed for a natural everyday toothpaste. A charcoal toothpaste that actually tastes good with no mess. Our Pacific mint flavor cures bad breath and will leave your mouth feeling fresh like a day at the beach. Naturally flavored with xylitol and peppermint oil. Keep your sink clean with no need to use the messy powder version of charcoal. Removes 5 years of tough coffee, wine, and smoking-related teeth stains for a whiter smile. Use Crest Vivid Whitestrips for visibly whiter teeth with full results in 10 days. Use Crest Vivid Whitestrips once a day for 30 minutes. Uses the same enamel-safe teeth whitening ingredients dentists use. A comfortable at-home teeth whitening experience. Usage: apply once a day for 1 hour. Full results in 7 days. Made in USA. Gluten-free. No sulfates or parabens. Certified organic ingredients. Dentist approved. Professional results in as fast as 1 treatment. Get those pearly whites in the time it takes to watch half of a Game of Thrones episode. Just pop the tray in your mouth and hit the light button and chill. Wear from 10 to 30 minutes a day for 7 to 10 days for full whitening results. Custom thermoform trays provide full upper and lower bite coverage. The Cali White system allows gel to fill crevices between teeth as well as whitening molars, giving a uniform whitening effect on all teeth. Teeth whitening kit includes Pro LED light accelerator with an integrated timer. Includes 3 packs 3 ml teeth whitening gel, 18% carbamide peroxide, total of 9 teeth whitening treatments. Remove stains from coffee, wine, soda, tea, smoking and more. Teeth whitening results after the first treatment. Teeth whitening kit includes soft and comfortable silicone mouth tray, fits any size mouth, whiten the top and bottom teeth at the same time. Work with any refill gel for teeth whitening at home. For best result, use our stain eraser before teeth whitening treatment.